Hey guys, good morning. Yesterday we checked into this resort, which is Bella Vista Resort, and we didn't go anywhere yesterday because while coming from camping site to this resort, there was a small issue with my car. Like the brake pads are completely worn out. I thought of changing them when I get back to Chennai, but then it was very severe, so I had to get it changed. And then by the time we came here, it was 5 o'clock or something like that. Then we came here, we checked in, we had dinner. Then yeah, we didn't do anything at all. Then I thought of editing some footage, but I opened my laptop only to find out that it's not working. I don't know why. When I turned it on, it came to the login page and the screen went blank all of a sudden. After that, nothing. I tried to reset my SMC, VRAM, NVRAM and stuff, but nothing works out. So I don't know. I have this only laptop, and I'll have to see when I get back to Chennai if I can repair or I don't know. I'm not able to understand anything. So, but this is a resort. This has great balcony and with a great mountain view. Yeah, so now we are heading to the restaurant, which is this one. Yeah, so this is the restaurant. I like this windows stuff in the restaurant because I can get the view while having breakfast. ఎక్కడ కూర్చుందాం ఎక్కడ కూర్చుందాం ఆ రోడ్డు బాగుంది
ఏడ కూర్చుందామా ఓకే షూర్
So we had our breakfast and we are just going for a small walk because it's very cold. At the same time the sun is hitting us, so it kind of feels good to walk. So just going to a nearby tea store and drink some tea or something. So yeah. Now the time is almost 11 and we are leaving the hotel to do some sightseeing. So they are packing luggage and getting ready. So now the plan is to go to there is a park called Heidel Park nearby. So we'll go to that park. After that we'll go to some eco points and then we'll go to Mettupatti Dam, and there is one more thing called Mettupatti Viewpoint or something, Lake View or something. After that there is a top station where we'll get beautiful sunrises. So it's been 2 days that I came to Munnar, but I didn't witness any sunset or sunrise because of the dense fog. Today let's hope to see beautiful sunset, and yeah, that's the plan. So all these things will come on the way to the top station. So the final destination is top station. We are planning to reach there by sunset time. So whatever we'll get good places on the way, we'll just see them. So like no fixed plan, random on the go plan. Yeah, so I'll see you guys at the next location. Here in Heidel Park. I can't show you much about this place because cameras are not allowed. So what I did was I had a DSLR and this Insta360. So I told them I just have a DSLR and I gave the DSLR in their counter and I hid it inside the bag and brought this. But I can show you a sneak peek. It's nothing very beautiful. It's just a park with lots of flowers and stuff. And there is this lake as well. Yeah, it is okay, not so beautiful and stuff. It is still under construction, some kind of stuff, but it is having some shopping area and a fish spa and aquarium as well, so you have to pay for everything. Yeah, so guys, we are done with Heidel Park now. So our next stop is Mattipattu Dam, but on the way we saw some one or two photo points, so we'll see if the photo points are good, we'll stop for photos, or else next stop is Mattipatti Dam.
Mountains towering again in your mind. Aren't they the hardest ones to climb? Darling, look how far we've come simply by taking it one step at a time.
So we have reached to Madipettu Dam, and there are small stalls to eat food and stuff. This is where we parked our car, and now we are going towards the dam. So this is Mattupetta Dam, and the dam gates will be over here, but there are a lot of safety walls, so you can't see from there. But this is the best location, best spot I found, so that I can show the whole dam properly. There I think you have boating point. Yeah. So guys, we finished our lunch at Mattupeti Dam. So I ate bread omelette, and both of them ate veg Maggie and egg Maggie. So the food is good and super cheap also. So now we are going back to, sorry, now we are going to the Echo Point, which will be around 5 to 6 kilometers from Mattupeti Dam. Yeah, we decided not to do the boating because they're all speed boats or the normal boats, which we didn't like to do. So yeah. So guys, after the dam, I told that we'll be going to Echo Point, but my GoPro ran out of charge. Sorry, my Insta360 ran out of charge, so I kept it in charge, so I couldn't shoot anything. But yeah, we saw the Echo Point. It was the same dam, but the other side. And then we were going to the top station in middle. We stopped for a tea break, and guess what? The weather is so awesome here. Check. We drank tea from that shop. Then look at the weather. Look at the fog. I hope the fog clears, because I wanted to see the sunset. I haven't witnessed any sunset or sunrise, so fingers crossed for the fog to go. So we have come to the top station viewpoint. So now we are trekking down. Unfortunately, it's full of fog. I can't get sunsets. So one thing I realized after coming to Kerala is you should not expect sunrise or sunset, because the climate might change anytime. Now we are trekking down to the viewpoint. So this is the viewpoint. As you can see, it's fully covered with mist, so you can't really see any views. But Yeah, it's good. And you can trek down to how much ever you want. See, there is a way. You can go this way till there. So we chilled for some time and we took some pictures. And now we are heading back to the like parking site. So after that, the plan is like there are some shopping areas, and yeah, we bought this muffler from that place. It costed 200. I don't know if it's cheap or it's costly because I have no idea about mufflers. So now I saw some uh, food courts, so I am thinking to eat Maggie because I am tired. So we'll eat Maggie, then we'll head back to our resort, then we'll do dinner, then we'll sleep. That's the plan for today. So let's go. Yeah, so we are back to the resort now. The time is almost 8:20. So we left in the morning at around 10:30. Now we came back at 8:30, and we gave order for dinner. I will just go take bath and sleep like a baby because I'm very tired. I'm not tired actually, but my legs are paining because of the trek, and yeah. So good night for now. Hey guys, welcome back. And so today we are leaving from Munnar. So these guys are packing all the stuff. So today the plan is like we came to Munnar through Dindigal, Tirchi, that route, but the receipt guy told us that there is another way which the road will be very nice and sceneries will be good. So we are thinking to take that road. That way goes like from Munnar to Salem. So we'll go to Munnar to Salem, and then we can go to Chennai via Velur, Krishnagiri that way, or else we can come back to Ulandur and we can go to the regular route. But we heard that there are rains in Velur and roads are not good, so we haven't decided which way to take from Salem. So we'll decide when we reach to Salem whether we should go through Ulandur or through Krishnagiri and Velur. Yeah, that's the plan for today. And this might be the last video because the trip is going to end. So see you guys later. Now the time is almost 7:50. We are at Ulandur and Chennai is like almost 200 kilometers away from here. So we had our dinner from this hotel Karaikal. I don't know how to pronounce that. So we'll be moving from here within next 10 minutes after having small drink or like tea or something. Then most probably if we start at 8 or 8:15, then it will take around 3 hours to cover the 200 kilometers. So I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, so now we reached to Chennai. So I'm gonna drop both of them here, and I'll go to my home maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow because I have to get my laptop serviced tomorrow. So yeah, bye bye.
Good night.